Look up, see the stars? They're not just points of light. They tell stories. Stories from long ago. Stories that connect us to the past. One of these stories unfolds in the constellation Cygnus, Cygnus the Swan. It soars across the Milky Way, its wings spread wide, its neck outstretched. A celestial bird in graceful flight. Cygnus is easy to find. Look for a cross shape. This is the Northern Cross. It's part of Cygnus. Deneb, a bright star, marks the swan's tail. Albareo, a double star, marks the head. Between them lie stars forming the swan's long, elegant neck and outstretched wings. Cygnus is best seen in the northern hemisphere. It graces the summer and autumn skies. But Cygnus is more than a pretty pattern of stars. It's a gateway to myths and legends. It's a place of scientific wonder. It's a reminder of humanity's enduring fascination with the cosmos. For millennia, people have gazed upon Cygnus. They saw a swan. They told stories about it. These stories connected them to the sky. They connected them to each other. They connected them to something bigger than themselves. Let's explore the celestial swan. Let's uncover its secrets. Let's journey through space and time. Myths about Cygnus abound. One of the most famous involves Zeus, the king of the gods. Zeus, known for his many loves. One day, Zeus laid eyes on Leda, a beautiful Spartan queen. Zeus was smitten. He had to have her, but Zeus knew he couldn't approach Leda directly. She was married. So, Zeus devised a plan. He transformed himself into a swan. A magnificent, white swan. He flew down to Leda. Leda, captivated by the swan's beauty, took it in her arms. From their union, Helen was born, Helen of Troy. Her beauty launched 1,000 ships, and she became a legend herself. The story of Zeus and Leda, told and retold, became intertwined with Cygnus. The constellation became a celestial reminder of their love and of the consequences of their actions. Different cultures have their own versions of the Cygnus myth. In some, the swan represents Orpheus, the musician of Greek myth, who was placed in the stars after his death. His lyre, a musical instrument, forms a nearby constellation, Lyra. In Chinese mythology, Cygnus is part of a love story. It's the bridge between two lovers separated by the Milky Way. Each year they meet on the bridge. Their love story, a reminder of the enduring power of connection. Across cultures, Cygnus inspires stories of love, loss, and longing. These myths, passed down through generations, demonstrate the power of storytelling. They show how humans make sense of the universe, connect us to the past, and remind us that we are not alone in our wonder. Section 3. Stellar Beacons, Deneb and the Mysteries of Cygnus. Cygnus is home to many fascinating stars. One of the most notable is Deneb, a blue-white supergiant, shining brightly at the tail of the swan. Deneb is much larger than our Sun, and it's also much farther away. Despite its distance, Deneb shines brightly in our sky. This is because it's incredibly luminous, radiating vast amounts of energy. Deneb is a variable star. Its brightness fluctuates slightly over time, making it even more intriguing to astronomers. Another interesting star system in Cygnus is Albareo. Albareo marks the head of the swan. Through a telescope, Albareo reveals itself as a double star. One star is golden yellow, the other is a striking sapphire blue. The contrast between the two stars is breathtaking. It's a favorite target for amateur astronomers. Cygnus also contains nebulae. Nebulae are vast clouds of gas and dust. These nebulae are stellar nurseries. New stars are born within them. The Cygnus Loop is one such nebula. It's the remnant of a supernova explosion, a star that exploded long ago. Its remnants still glow brightly. By studying these stars and nebulae, astronomers learn about the universe. They learn about the life cycle of stars. They learn about the elements that make up everything around us. Cygnus, therefore, is not just a beautiful constellation, it's a laboratory for scientific discovery. Cygnus has inspired artists, writers, and musicians for centuries. Its graceful form has been depicted in paintings, sculptures, and tapestries. Its mythology has been woven into poems, plays, and operas. Its celestial beauty has sparked the imagination of countless creators. In literature, Cygnus has been featured in works by Shakespeare, Milton, and Tennyson. These writers used the constellation to evoke themes of love, death, and transcendence. They saw in Cygnus a reflection of humanity's hopes, dreams, and fears. Musicians have also found inspiration in Cygnus. The constellation has been the subject of symphonies, concertos, and popular songs. Its celestial beauty has been captured in the melodies and harmonies of countless musical compositions. Beyond art and literature, Cygnus has also played a role in spirituality. Some ancient cultures saw the constellation as a symbol of the soul's journey after death. They believed that the Milky Way, which Cygnus appears to swim through, represented the river that souls crossed into the afterlife. Today, Cygnus continues to inspire awe and wonder. Its celestial beauty reminds us of the vastness of the universe and the mysteries it holds. It encourages us to look beyond ourselves and connect with something larger than our everyday lives. In recent decades, Cygnus has become a hotbed for scientific discovery. Powerful telescopes have allowed astronomers to peer deep into the constellation. They've made groundbreaking discoveries that have expanded our understanding of the universe. One of the most exciting discoveries in Cygnus was the first confirmed black hole, Cygnus X1. Black holes are regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Cygnus X1 was detected by its intense X-ray emissions. These emissions are produced as matter falls into the black hole. Another significant finding was the discovery of Kepler 186f. This exoplanet, located about 500 light-years away, is the first Earth-sized planet found in the habitable zone of another star. While it's unknown if Kepler 186f could support life, its discovery has fueled the search for life beyond Earth. Cygnus is also home to the Cygnus OB2 Association. This is a massive star cluster containing some of the most massive and luminous stars known. Studying these stars helps astronomers understand the processes of star formation and evolution. These discoveries highlight the importance of continued exploration and research. Cygnus, with its wealth of celestial objects, promises even more exciting discoveries in the years to come. It's a reminder that the universe is full of wonders waiting to be uncovered. Cygnus, the celestial swan, has captivated humanity for millennia. Its graceful form soaring across the Milky Way has inspired countless myths, legends, and works of art. Its stars hold secrets about the universe, from the life cycle of stars to the mysteries of black holes. As we've explored Cygnus, we've journeyed through time and space. We've encountered ancient myths, groundbreaking scientific discoveries, and the enduring human desire to understand our place in the cosmos. Cygnus reminds us that we are part of something much larger than ourselves. The next time you look up at the night sky, find Cygnus. Let its celestial beauty inspire you. Let its stories spark your imagination. Let it remind you of the wonders that await discovery in the vast expanse of the universe. Cygnus is more than just a constellation. It's a symbol of humanity's enduring fascination with the cosmos. It's a reminder that there's still so much out there to explore and understand. So keep looking up, keep asking questions, and never stop exploring the wonders of the universe.